We are going to make some brownies that are good for naturally upping your milk supply, also known as lactation brownies. Hi, welcome to Cake Mom. I'm Abby, that's Aaliyah, and this is our newest member, Zeta. And on this channel, I share with you guys some of my favorite tips and techniques, as well as recipes, to help you with your home baking projects. If you're new or haven't already, please consider subscribing to this channel and hitting that notifications bell so that you can see when I post my next video. So as always, the recipe will be in the description below, but here is everything you will need. Granulated sugar, eggs, old-fashioned oats, gluten-free flour, melted coconut oil, cocoa powder, flax seeds mixed with water, brewer's yeast, chocolate chips, salt, and vanilla. We are going to start by combining the oil. Coconut oil is a fantastic breast milk supplement. It really helps up everything as far as supply goes. If you don't have coconut oil and you can have butter, feel free to use butter for this step. The next thing you're going to add is some sugar. This is flax meal combined with hot water. We want it to be nice and mushy so that you don't have a weird texture in your brownies. We're gonna add that. We're also going to add the cocoa powder. We'll give that a very good stir and then add the eggs. Next, it's time to add our dry ingredients. So we're gonna add some gluten-free flour. If you can have gluten, feel free to add regular flour. And then some salt. And Brewers yeast. This is another great supplement to increase your milk supply. Give that a very good stir.
I'm gonna do it.
You gonna stir it? So last we are going to add our allergen-free chocolate chips. These are free of dairy, nuts, flour, anything like that. There you go. Pour them all in. We're also gonna add some oats because these are one of the best items for upping a milk supply. So if you're low production and your baby's like freaking out, go have yourself a bowl of oatmeal. It will fix everything. And some vanilla extract for flavor. Once you have folded this together very well, you're going to take a 9x13 pan and line it with aluminum foil. Then you want to spread your batter in there nice and evenly and bake it at 350 degrees for approximately 20 to 25 minutes, or until a butter knife inserted into the center of the pan comes back slightly gooey but not covered in raw batter. And I let them cool completely before removing them from the pan and cutting them. As you can see, these are delicious, kind of fudgy, mostly chewy. So good. If you love chocolate and you're trying to naturally up your breast milk supply, this is the recipe for you. Go try it out. Delicious. If you enjoyed this recipe, you might also really like these lactation cookies we did right over here, so go check them out. And if you haven't yet, please give this video a thumbs up, comment below because we want to hear from you, and hit that subscribe button and that notifications bell so that you can see when I post my next video. Have a great one!